Welcome! Today we're unboxing the ARK Tamo Maximum Security Keysafe, the world's most secure push-button keysafe, available from Aldridge Security. This premium keysafe offers top-level security, perfect for homes, businesses and rental properties. In the box, you'll find the ARK Tamo Keysafe itself, mounting hardware and an easy-to-follow setup and installation guide. The Tamo's sleek and durable design is perfect for those seeking maximum security for their keys while still looking good on the wall. It's designed in the UK and built with a robust weather-resistant zinc alloy body. This keysafe is designed to endure all conditions, and the 12-button illuminated keypad makes access easy, even in low-light environments. You can set your own code from a possible 9.7 million combinations. But that's not all. The ARK Tamo Keysafe is also CE marked, meaning it complies with EU safety, health and environmental protection standards. It's also secured by design, which is an official police security initiative that recognises products offering maximum resistance to burglary. Installation is straightforward. Simply mount it securely using the included hardware, and there you've got a tamper-resistant, reliable place to store your keys. Whether you're managing a rental property, granting access to family, allowing emergency and carer access, or just securing your business, the ARK Tamo offers a perfect balance of convenience and security. The illuminated keypad ensures easy access, even at night. The ARK Tamo Maximum Keysafe is available now from Aldridge Security. It's the perfect choice for secure key storage. Visit the link in the description to learn more and secure your keys today. You can also check out Aldridge's full range of over 25,000 security products, including the ARK Tamo, at www.aldridgesecurity.co.uk, and you can order yours today for same-day dispatch.